Alright, check in guys. Alright, so basically it's a beautiful day, peeps, you know what I mean? And I've decided to make a run on the road to run a few errands. I'm decide to take one along with me. So basically Aiden haven't been feeling well for the good while now, peeps, you know what I mean? And Aiden, come here. So I got the call from in school yesterday. Said him not feel well and I should come by the school and reach down there in less than 3 minutes, guys. So when we reach, them tell me say, yo, you might vomit. So what I told her, so I'm gonna go in school, guys. I see him in the guidance counselor office, and trust me, he really never feel well. So with that being said, he's here with me now. Where is he? You alright? Say hello.
Hi.
So yeah guys, so Adonis, you know, Adonis starts school, peeps, and decides me never did get everything for him as it relates to stationaries and stuff like that. So what I'm doing today, I'm at the one and only Practical Stationaries, guys. This is one of the best place as it relates to getting stuff for your kids, them, you know what I mean? So Practical Stationaries, it's on Kings Plaza, you know what I mean, Constant Spring Road, and you can't miss it. You see me? So we'll see if we can go inside and grab a few stuff for him as well, you know. I want him for well equipped in school. He's doing great. As I'm gonna say, Aiden is not well, Adonis is okay. So yeah, I know a bug go around because Melissa kinda feel well too, and you know, I don't even know, but we just keep going on the prayers, guys. So we'll jump right into the store now and get some stuff. So stick and stay and watch our one. All of this is for school. So basically, peeps, we will get so one jumbo, one scrapbook. I don't even know what scrapbook look like. Well, on Aiden, one scrapbook, one jumbo coloring book, 2 hardcover book, 3 jumbo pencil, charger, and the list goes on and on. Jeez, peeps. I forgot probably get help from somebody and give them the list so they can probably deal it for me. If them not really have, well, I doubt them not have everything, cause Aiden, you're telling everybody to excuse you. Who they in here with? Come on, man. Alright, so the nice lady told me everything is at aisle number 4. So this is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 is right here.
Huh?
Yeah, so this is not aisle number 4, guys. Okay. Hey then, go get a basket for me, please.
Where is it?
Hmm?
Where is it?
Where is it?
Yeah.
Go and find it.
Okay. Super speed.
Bring it, come. Come, baby. Alright, so let's start with the scrapbook. I don't even know what that looks like.
Isn't this a phone?
That's not a phone, Aiden.
Yeah, it is a phone.
So it's a scrapbook, jumbo crayons. Oh, over here, so thank God. Alright, so I have the jumbo crayons, guys. Basically now see we can get the small pack thing. Come here, Aiden. Come here, Aiden. Work with me now, work with me, I work with. Park the car right here. Put this in there.
Yeah.
Don't drop it like that.
Oh, sorry.
Alright. Crayola make better crayons still, you know. 230 versus 220 so era. This one a jumbo.
Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
How about animals? Look.
No, Aiden. Hardcover book.
Lizard.
Jumbo pencil. Where are the jumbo pencils at? I'm gonna use foot sticks.
These type.
Okay, these are the only ones I have?
Yeah, colored.
Colored.
You have the jumbo one.
I'm a baby in
So
kindergarten. I don't know why them booklist are so heavy.
We did have these small ones, but we don't have the natural colors. It's just the assorted.
Just the assorted one. So
And then we have
so which one would be the ideal one for seeing where?
kindergarten.
Yeah. Come there, Aiden.
I think this is either out of these or these. So
Oh, the price on? Okay.
this is for
I get that one. And this are 3.
345
These are plus tax?
plus tax.
Okay.
Only for Sarah tag.
Oh, okay. Oh, so these are
All of those are plus No man, like you know you have a.
Oh yeah, the little red. Oh, the orange little. Okay, all right then. Hey, then put this in this something. All right. So let me see. All right. So we got the scrapbook.
Poster pen.
Yeah. So, well, I mean, me need the plate. Hold on, the plate. Let me see, plate. Yo, this has stressed me out, you know.
See, I have a 4-pack right there with
This one?
yeah, the primary colors.
Oh yeah, the primary colors. Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm doing a vlog for my YouTube channel as well. Yeah, man. All right, so I got the paintbrush. No paintbrush.
Scrapbook on this one.
Okay. Scrapbooks. Aiden, you're not drive with me, Aiden, man. Come on, man.
I'm working with you.
You're not working with me, but you're around here, so. All right, guys. So I'm getting some help from one of the guys who work in here. So.
What did my dad?
I got the Play-Doh. I got the paint set. I got the paint.
Please can you come back?
Paint set. Got the scrapbook. I need 2 hardcover books as well.
I have scrapbook.
Alright,
Here you
that's a
go.
scrapbook. You,
Put them in.
you have a hardcover books? Oh, I have them. Nice. Alright, Aiden, what Adonis' favorite color? Red? Alright, we're gonna go red and blue. Or red and green. Here you go. This is for Adonis.
But what about the red eye?
So the scrapbook, we got the no aprons. What is? Cartridge paper. 3 cartridge paper. What is this? Cotton balls. You have cotton ball?
No.
No cotton ball. Tell me I have up here, so a permanent one for the top part.
This part?
No.
Or
Yeah.
okay, so 100 blank paper. So I guess copy paper. Hardcover book. We'll get that. Permanent markers at the front.
At the front.
Ponal. Good. At the front.
At the front. Okay.
So feathers around the craft section where you're coming from.
Okay.
Cotton ball. We're gonna have Lysol on them something there.
Oh, I forgot probably go on. Yeah, a supermarket
so
or
the papers
also.
around this side.
Okay. Hey then, you're not drive. May take away your license, young man. Now take away your license. Remember me tell you that. Guys, around here.
These are 100.
No, I'm pouring.
These are 850.
Oh, okay, so I get 2 of these. Alright, so two of them here. Guys, we don't know. Adonis is just 2, and this is a lot. So I think I'm at like 70%, guys. I mean, few of the stuff them they run at the back. Hey then, how are you feeling now?
Wait.
You can go to school tomorrow.
No, not yet. I still feel sick.
You still feel sick?
Yeah.
Alright then.
So Daddy,
Come, baby.
Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I need something that I have to play with.
You soon get something to play with, baby. This place is amazing, guys. I'm up from a pink one, anchor, everything. Oh, feathers. Okay. These are real feathers?
No.
No? Okay. Here, Aiden. These are not real feathers. Those are fake. Oh, them say Crayola jumbo crayon. So this is the price for it?
Yes.
No, this
jumbo.
Them have nice small pack. Oh God, no. Them say Crayola. Why Crayola though?
About this?
I shouldn't sell jumbo. I don't know. Oh, those are large. 5. You know, may I get that instead? The boy a whole pencil good enough, so may I get this instead.
Oh.
Alright, we're gonna put this back. Hey then. I don't know this brand. I guess them say Crayola for a particular reason. Yeah, then you have to drive, man. You must say you get approve a license, young man. So I'm getting help. I feel good is a shame, I swear. So it makes the job a lot easier. Hey, then come now. Come now, round here, so come. Come, baby. Come now. Come, let me help you. Give it to
I
me.
don't need any help.
No, you're moving too slow. That's what I'm
I'm
helping.
not moving too slow.
No, you are moving too slow.
Okay.
Yes, she is.
Daddy, now this is what I'm talking about.
What are you talking? Oh, see right here.
Over here.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna get the marker them. 3 permanent markers. Oh, the jumbo.
These 2 jumbo pins, right? But them normally say you can go with this because it's short and I guess it's more best to handle.
Okay. How much is the pack?
And it comes with a sharp.
Oh, it comes with a sharpener as well. Okay.
900. 965. So it comes 1,100.
1,104?
109.
Ah, Johnny was time. I forgot probably go with.
You can go.
How much is 3 of these? How much one of them?
115, I think.
115? Yeah, may I go with 3 of them here just for now. Alright. So, yeah? Come.
I can see something.
151 with tax? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So 3 of them.
Alright.
Oh, they're doing 2 pounds. You don't have tonal, because I think them say tonal out.
Phone all out. You have a substitute? Yeah, man. No, Aiden, no, we're working on Adonis stuff right now. We'll soon talk about what you like, my youth.
What size do you would prefer?
Like
Yeah,
a small one, yeah, like a small one. At the school I get everything, don't it? And then I keep it. No, me keep one and school keep one? Okay. That's, yeah, the crayons, yeah.
Cartridge paper, 3 cartridge paper.
And that's it?
Yeah. Gloves, them say gloves. What type of gloves?
Baby gloves? I don't know.
You think?
2-year-old.
You only have adult sign language?
I don't know why a man just start school and it has stressed me out, girl. Trust me.
They need to be specific still.
Yeah, don't it?
Yeah. Specific.
Oh, no. Alright, so no aprons. So may I X off that. I forget that somewhere else. Huh? Yeah, she said apron finish. 3 permanent marker. Aiden? Cartridge paper. No gloves. Alright, so may I get everything else down here, so? Or me not go get nothing of them here yet. Lysol spray, tissue, Antol. May I get Antol, 2 wipes and sanitizer and soap. And this goes on and on. Yeah guys, so we gotta do the right thing.
So 3 cartridge.
3 cartridge paper. Alright. You say then? Good.
You can't say that you need half. Roll this.
Huh?
Roll it.
Yeah man, I mean short. That's the best way to. Oh man, if I get the paint, you know, got down the paintbrush.
Paintbrush?
Yeah. Like one, single one. Oh god, Adonis. This is just the beginning. Yeah guys, so they are practical. As I said, them are from a pin to an anchor. Guys, look at this. Look there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so once you now have anything for the schooling projects, anything at all, you can check them out. You see it. So this is where I get my stuff for all my kids. So I'm gonna.
You want to wash out the sun?
She's going with the pricing and all peeps. Hope it now. You're not killing me today. That is it, man. Oh, it come with paintbrush already?
You tell them saying that they shop use.
Paintbrush.
And they can't tell me to buy back either.
Yeah guys, so we gotta do the right thing. Hey then, come here. For a second. Come here now. Alright. Hey then, we're gonna go and get the rest of the stuff then for your brother first and then we'll come back here.
Yeah, you can't say I want to carry those two.
Straight to school, me I carry go. Everything go. yeah guys, so that is everything. Nice young lady helped me out. I didn't want to put the camera up on her, but she gave me a massive strength, guys. Trust me. Hey guys, so I got everything that I've needed. I get all of the things in the box. One thing with Aiden peeps, once I go on the road, is like I go always want a car, you see me? So so far I get the majority of the stationaries them. However, we have to go travel with this here now. Go up into the hills with him, watch him, around this, watch him. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna see if we can get the Lysol and the soap and the hand sanitizer and stuff like that. We might not catch that on the video, but you don't know. I'm there to Aiden today, him not feel well. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, guys. And guys, we have a game where we are promote. The game is Caribbean Breeze Domino. So it's an awesome game, guys, you know what I mean? I'll leave the link to the game in the description. It's completely free, you know what I mean? Domino game, you know, domino is about Jamaican Caribbean culture, you know what I mean? So it's a nice game. We want to run it up, we want to go check it out and just do the right thing, you know what I mean? Completely free. So I'll leave the link to that in the description again as well, you know. We'll do more vlogs like this, you know, like daily vlogs. You see it, so that is it. So big up on yourself, your boy Knife Ninja out there without fear. Keep us in your prayers. Aiden, come. So unstop the sign, man. I want to you. Come tell the guys bye. Why? Why?
Because they never buy none.
I'm not say I can't buy no car for you now, Virgin.
Because I know that.
But I buy the car for you when I reach up. I'm not telling me I buy a car later.
But Daddy, you can't even buy it later because that's too long.
That's too long?
Yeah, that's too long.
No, I'm the boss. You don't dictate to me when you get stuff. I'm buy when the time is right, okay? Okay?
Yes.
Okay?
But you have to stay here before.
Anyways, guys, big up on yourself. Stick and stay and watch what I go on.